Yes, that's on. Out of display and ring light. Auto switch to image transmission when drone is paired. Yes. Swipe left or right with 2 fingers on the vision goggles to touchpad to switch secondary screen content. So there might be something showing on the secondary screen. I can't see it.
Look at him when he's looking out there. He's seeing that.
What's that do? Notification center. Right. Well, it's time to take off, I think. Right. Yes. Well, you don't have to on this one. I've got to find the. I want the see-through thing. Ah, that's better. Right. Now I can see what I'm doing. It's that slider there. I don't find this very easy to hold. It might be my clumsy fingers. Right. Here we go. Are the things going round? Right. Right, let's try again. No. Oh, I know what it is. It's 2 and hold it. No, what's it saying to me? See through. Tap close or double press. Oh, okay. Why won't that? Is this on? Yeah, it is on. Right. Oh. No. Just hold on a minute. Yeah. Please ensure the surrounding is clear. Right. Well, maybe you can't do it with the see-through. How do you start it? Oh, shit. No.
Oh, it's right now.
Home point updated.
When go back and just take the feet up.
Right, it is now 14.9 meters above us, and it's now looking down there. Are we actually recording? I need to check that we're recording. Camera parameter settings, auto 5.2K.
Calling on all the birds.
Is it? Let's do 8K. All right.
I'm just going to see if it's recording first.
Yeah, I'm just setting the record. Right, let's get rid of that. Right, I'm going to rotate it. And I'm going to go down the coast here.
No, it's going the other way. He's going away from you.
Right, okay.
Keep going, keep going. Yeah, about there.
Don't worry, it's coming back. Ooh, shit. Which way is it going to go now? Why does it go the opposite way to what I'm looking? It's supposed to be FPV.
Right, you're going the right way now.
Right. Okay.
You're going towards the bridge now.
Yeah.
I can still see it. I know that those houses now. Now it's coming around. Over there.
It's 67 meters up, 72 meters, and it's out over the 78 meters and going over the bridge. Yeah, you won't be able to see it, but it's basically going over the two bridges. And we'll turn it round when we get to over the bridges there, and we'll bring it back over the marina. Yeah, it's way over the marina, 92 meters high. Now we're coming back. Warning me that the video transmission signal may be obstructed. Fly safely. I think we better come down a bit. It's 100 meters up, which is 300. It's close to. Let's get it to come down. 61, 60, 59, 52, 51, 42, 37, 29, that's a bit better. I don't mind it being that high. 25. Whoops. Video transmission signal may be obstructed. Fly safely. Short press to the brake to cancel. It must be out of sight. Well, we'll go out onto the.
Turn to home cancelled.
So, see the boat shed. Go up and into the.
I don't know whether it's weak video signal detect. Please where the flight. Oh, I haven't put the things up. It's all right. I didn't have the aerial stuck up on the goggles. Right. I am now coming back over the top of us. Here we go. We're 12 meters up and go. I've got to be careful of wires as well. Yeah, that's right. Going over a boat shed.
I see it. That's it.
Okay, maybe it's switched that off. And now that is Milo's house. That is Milo's house there. And if we go up,